Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. In today's episode, we are going to do a Wifey versus Barkada box break challenge. So, to make a long story short, I did a recent unboxing with my wife. Actually, pack lang siya ng cello for NBA cards. And it was an amazing pack. I mean, we instantly made the money back. And on the other side naman, I've been doing box breaks with a couple of friends and lagi ako minamalas. Bihira mabawi ang pera. So in today's episode, the first part, I'll show you what I was able to pull with Felix and Kirby. So we opened like 3 boxes of NBA cards. And then after that, I'll show you what the wife was able to pull with 1 pack, again, of the NBA, what do you call that? The cello pack. So I hope you guys enjoy. And then I'll see you back again at the end of both clips. Tara! So guys, we're here together with Felix tsaka si Kirby, of course. Cardboard corner here at Unbox Green Hills. Mag-unbox tayo ng Mega Box exclusive with 14 red ice prisms daw sa loob. Ayan. 6 lang na pack.
But 12 per, no?
10 cards.
It's 10 cards per pack.
10 cards per pack.
Wala na naman tayong sleeves.
Marami dyan.
Okay, Jeremy Lamb, Julius Randle, Danny Green,
So
Kevin Werther, ito yung red ice, new rookie, Chicago Bulls, Markkanen.
Lowry.
Ay, dalawa.
Oh.
Danuel Jose Jr., yung silver rookie, Obi Toppin. Nice. Meron pa tayong Pascal Siakam, Nizik Naji, tsaka Lonzo Ball.
Super box pala, it's 14 red ice. Parang candy wrapper talaga, please.
Oo.
Madali buksan.
Uy! May silver na naman. So, 2 red ice and isang silver. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Tapos may insert pa. Sige,
Eric
go.
Gordon. Uy, Nikola Vucevic. Bam. D-Will, the Miami yun ah. This one is DeMar Carroll.
Ang ganda ng red ice tingnan, no?
DeAndre Jordan. So your silver is not a rookie. Bogda, this is a bad pack. Emergent, Isaiah Stewart, and Enes Kanter.
Okay, babawi yan, babawi
It's a
yan.
not so good pack.
Ayan.
Mukhang isang box pa, no?
Oo, mukhang magbubukas tayo isa pa. Okay.
Right, we got Spider Mitchell, Alfred, DeJounte Murray, Giannis
Maganda pack
Antetokounmpo,
ni
the
Felix,
champ, Harrison Barnes.
Ulo pa lang, alam mo na kung sino eh. No?
Oh, sa dami ko na lang.
This is James Johnson.
Pangit din ah.
Silver is Instant Impact, Tyrese Maxey.
Oo, sayang.
Kala ko lamelo na eh.
Hornet, Vernon Carey Jr., another rookie. We got Cole
That's a good one.
Anthony.
Cole Anthony's
Okay,
good.
okay. Sige, ako naman ulit.
pack.
Magbubukas tayo isa pang box.
Mukha nga.
Bitin.
Autographs and penmanship.
Spencer Dinwiddie, Clint Capella, Thaddeus Young. Teka, ilan to? So meron tayo 3 red. So first red natin, not a rookie, Spurs, Forbes. Next red natin, hindi pa rin rookie.
Wala pa tayong red rookie. Mukhang Trae Young yun.
Hindi.
Ang layo.
Oo nga eh. Rookie naman dyan oh. Sa bonus.
Tabloy.
Cole Anthony.
Pwede na.
Woodard and Culver.
Pero nakaka-depress naman to.
So, there's just 3 red eyes.
3 ulit.
Hopefully, 1 is a rookie.
Hopefully all.
So, let's start at the back. Kelly Oubre. A rookie, andi rin. Jonathan Isaac, Team USA. Clyde Drexler. TJ Warren. Dwayne Bacon. Pascal Siakam. Larry Nance Jr. Not a rookie. Wala ko to ah. Si ano to? Damian Lillard.
Boom. Di rin
This
rookie.
one.
Baliktad.
No, this is Ish Smith.
2 out of 2 ah.
Oh, this one's a rookie.
Uy.
Yeah.
Uy.
It's from the it's from OKC.
Ah, so ano
Or
yan?
New York.
Poku?
It's Poku. Oh, it's Theo Maledon.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Hindi bola eh.
Oh,
It's nice
pwede na
though.
rin, pwede na rin.
It's not centered, pero it's a good rookie to have.
Last pack of this box and then definitely we will go for a second box.
Chris Middleton, injured champ, DiVincenzo, Dirk Nowitzki,
Pwede na. Ito red. Hindi pa.
Jimmy
Oh,
Butler,
that's
rookie, Cassius Winston. Red Ice, Matisse Tybalt, second year. Silver Prism of Dylan Brooks. Emergent, Jaden McDaniels.
Hindi pala Melo.
Grand Thriller. Another rookie.
Hindi pala.
We got all the Hornets.
Except the one that matters the most. Meron na to. Nararamdaman ko na to. Ay, Theo Maledon. Pwede na. Forbes. Insert ni Embiid. So meron tayong dalawang red. Hindi rookie. Sa bonus
Another
na.
one.
Hindi rin rookie. Grabe naman tong...
Second one din.
Grabe.
Magkakatabi yan usually eh.
Chris Paul. Dame. DeAndre.
Hindi
Not a rookie. Another Lowry.
same
This is
one.
the same pack.
It's the same one.
It's Ish Smith. Silver Penny. That's
nice.
different.
That's decent.
Steph Curry USA. Okay. Drummond with the Cavs. And rookie Daniel Otorio with the Clippers.
Medyo nakakalungkot yung tatlong box na to no?
Like the weather lately.
Okay, dalawang red, isang silver. Brogdon, William, Ja Morant.
Second year. That's
Pwede
nice.
na yan, pwede na. Hindi rookie. Parang
Anthony Hardaway. You have a
rookie
silver
talaga
one
siya.
and a red ice. That's okay.
Hindi rin rookie, Craig. Hindi rookie, Washington.
Second year.
Ano naman?
Lakas ni Cole Anthony.
Okay. Grabe!
Kristaps Porzingis. Drew Holiday. And Hornets. Pelicans jersey. Kevin Garnett. Brandon Ingram. Red Ice James Johnson. Red Ice Hassan
Grabe.
Whiteside. Silver Garland. Second year. This is okay.
That's a crappy pack.
Yeah, it is. Jalen Smith. CJ McCollum. Rookie.
Nico
Nico
Mannion. Luka Doncic. Tatlong red. May rookie ba? May isang rookie. Doncic. Lowry. Daniel House Jr. Rookie natin is blue.
That's promising.
Porzingis? O Theo Maledon na naman?
Oku or Mallet. Yeah, it's the same one.
Parang paulit-ulit, no?
Deja vu. Matisse Red.
Ba't paulit-ulit? Nakakalungkot naman yun.
Yeah, it's yeah.
Kunin mo yung pangatlong packs. Ito na, last 6 packs. Yan, okay, ako muna. Pagkatapos ikaw. Kaya sumali na lang kayo sa mga box break ni Kirby. Kaysa bumili ng box. Yun yung lesson dito. So, either yun o mag-singles na lang kayo, no? Yun ang lesson, yun ang moral of the story, guys. Ha? Iverson, Jeff Teague, Jokic, paano pronounce it, Jokic? Jokic, Bamba, Jabari Parker, Brooklyn Nets. Grabe.
That's nice.
Pero-
Yeah.
Grabe. Kirby ang magsasalba nitong box break na to. 3 box na.
May magandang auto
Let's go.
dyan.
Wala pa yata kaming 10,000 in value, no?
Wala pa. Sad to say.
Grabe.
So let's do from the back. Emergent, Devin Vassell, RJ Barrett, Isaac Okoro, Malik Monk, Bojan Bogdanovic, Jeremy Grant, Chris Dunn. First up, not a rookie, Chris Paul.
Nice.
Chris Paul. At least iba na.
Oo.
This one's not a
Hindi
rookie.
rin rookie.
This is Mikal Bridges.
Nakaka-depress na to ah.
Kirby's open thousands of packs.
Sino yan? Embiid? Hindi, red eh.
Troy Brown Jr.
Yo. Guys,
It's a game to Kirby.
sumali na lang kayo sa box break.
Kobe White. No, it's just different. Gallo. Conley. Otto Porter. Red
Rookie.
is a rookie. Not.
Should have been.
Jaden McDaniels. Could have been Ant-Man. Malik Beasley. Puro Wolves And Drew Holiday, Kirby's boy. Sophomore stars, Tyler Hero.
Wala mo
Markel
nang
Fultz.
Lamelo eh.
RJ Hampton.
If you hit an
Got a
Ant-Man Red
chance.
Ice, I think that's gonna be
Yun yung box.
That's gonna save 2 boxes.
Simulan natin sa rookie, sa Dick Bay. Oh, si Onyeka Okongwu. Deladoveja, si Schroeder, Zion Williamson, base. Porzingis, Sacramento Kings.
Oh, that's another good
Hali.
Isang matino. Mavericks. Ay,
Sayang.
They look alike.
Patrick Williams, Emergent. Okay. Sino ba next? Kaulit.
Ako na. Nandito na yung auto. I hope. Uy,
Meron?
sounds promising, looks promising. No, joke lang.
May-excite pa man din tayo.
Duncan, Malik Beasley, Fulcan, Korkmaz. This is not a rookie. Preston Thompson. Oh, it's a rookie, pero dahil orange crest siya, alam mo na kung sino. Isa lang naman ang rookie ng Suns. Jalen Smith.
No!
Lou Williams. Emergent Zeke Nazi. Xavier Tillman and Peyton
Oh,
Pritchard.
ikaw na last. Huling pag-asa.
Back soon, Clay. Joe Harris. JJ Redick. Jojo.
Come on, Felix, kaya mo yan.
Red Ice Court Mahaz. Oh boy.
Oh,
Red
that's
Ice
nice.
Whoa! Meron na isa. Magkano yan?
This is not bad at all. We have Silver Kendrick Nunn. Instant Impact James Wiseman. FVV. Last one is a rookie. Kira Lewis Jr.
Okay. Yun na yun, guys. We have Red Ice Luka Doncic tsaka Red Ice
Part of the game.
Tyrese Haliburton. So, hindi siya sobrang nakakatuwa. Malayo tayo sa magkano binayad ko, pero pwede na rin. At least nagkatuwaan tayo. At sana hindi kayo nag-skip ng ads.
Actually, if you're able to move all of it, you can get back a box and a half.
A box and a half.
Yeah, halfway.
Tapos bili na lang ulit tayo ng
Bili na lang yung isa pa.
box and a half ulit. As you guys saw, hindi tayo ganun kapinalad masyado. If you take a look at the overall value of what I was able to unbox with Kirby and Felix, sabi nga ni Kirby, swerte na if we're able to get like a box and a half in terms of value. So medyo nalugi tayo doon big time. Boom! So malungkot, di ba? Now, at this point in the vlog, I'll share with you what we were able to pull when yung misis ko yung nagbukas nung cello pack.
Doug McDermott.
Ooh! 2000! LeBron James!
Alex Caruso. Josh Jackson. Darius Bazley. Goran Dragic. Eric Pascal. Brandon Ingram. RJ Hampton. Lonzo Ball and Robert Woodard.
Nice! Dito pa lang, bawi na.
Yeah. Hassan Whiteside.
Yay! May isang maganda.
Malachi Flynn.
Okay. And the clear winner is si Mrs. So, ano yung lesson of the day? If you have the blessing of your wife, the chances of whatever it is that you're doing, the success rate is much higher. Imagine, just a simple cello pack, may Lebron at kung ano-ano pa. Grabe talaga. Tapos and then we open like 3 boxes. And I mean, may Luka, meron nga ano, pero the overall value wasn't really that much. As in talagang medyo nakakakamot nga ng ulo eh. So, I guess the real lesson, apart from happy wife, happy life, and get the blessing of your wife, is that when it comes to box breaks, lagi nyo tatandaan, lalo na for those who are into card collecting, it's not guaranteed. There is definitely higher risk. You might want to consider really focusing more on single card collecting and stuff like that. Kasi may hindi talaga siya guaranteed na mababawi mo pera mo. So that is a lesson that you guys don't have to learn anymore painfully kasi pinagdaanan ko na siya. O, diba? Anyway, that actually wraps up the vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video as well and share it on Facebook. That said, peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.